Next, types of RNA. RNA mainly in three forms: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. First we take up messenger RNA. This is mRNA or messenger RNA. The messenger RNA concept is given by Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod. And this messenger RNA is a copy of DNA which helps in preparation of protein or make up protein. So mRNA is a copy of DNA. So mRNA helps to transfer the genetical information to make up protein. That is messenger RNA function. First, RNA is derived from DNA by the process of transcription. That information translated as a protein, that is translation. So in case of this is DNA 3rd prime to 5th prime. Next, A, T, C, G, A, T, C, G, A, T, C, G. These are normal nitrogen bases. This DNA strand will get transcribed and produces one more strand. So this is RNA. A is binds with uracil. Next, thymine binds with that is adenine. Cytosine guanine. G means C, A means U, T means that is the A, C means G, G means C, A means that is U, T means that is A, C means that is G, here C. So like mRNA produced in this process, and some steps also involved in this process. So steps, first of all, this is the DNA, this is the 5th prime, 3rd prime to 5th prime. In this DNA strand, some coding part is there, some non-coding part also is there. Coding part, so here right, coding part is exons. Coding part is there in DNA strand, general DNA strand, that is coding part is exons. Non-coding part also is there. That non-coding part is introns. This DNA strand will get transcribed to formation of another strand, copy. This is DNA to copy this, and in this copy DNA, coding part, non-coding part also is there. So that is intron, exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron and exon. So intron. So non-coding part introns. This is non-coding part. Here also non-coding part. Here also non-coding part. Here non-coding part. Next here non-coding part. These are introns. Exons, this is coding part. Introns 1, exons 2, exons 3, exons 4. So 4 exons. So I means non-coding part, E exons means coding part. These DNA contain two parts. One is exons and introns. Introns means non-coding part, exons means that is coding part. Next, these type of part is piece is called, this is a copy of DNA, the copy of DNA is called hnRNA. hnRNA means heteronuclear RNA, which is heteronuclear RNA. So DNA transcribe into copy, that copy is called hnRNA. In this hnRNA, some coding region, non-coding region too is there. Non-coding region is introns, intron. This is non-coding part. Coding part is exon. So in this coding part, genetical information is present. In non-coding part, genetical information is not there. So by the process of splicing, use one enzyme, endonuclease enzyme. The enzyme endonuclease. Use this enzyme, this copy of DNA or hnRNA breakdowns into small pieces. So this is intron, exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron, and exon and intron. So here non-coding part intron, exon, non-coding part intron, then exon. Here intron, exon, here intron, exon, next intron. So this is exon 1, exon 2, exon 3, exon 4. By the enzyme, endonuclease enzyme will cut these pieces and divided introns as well as exons. Introns and exons will get broken down into pieces. Then after ligase enzyme, which is helps to binds the only coding part. Coding part only will binds by ligase enzyme. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is exon and one more exon, one more exon, one more exon, one more exon. All exons are joined. So this is exon 1, exon 2, exon 3, exon 4, exon 5 and exon 6, like that. Here exon 6 like that we have to write. So this is the mRNA. This is now we are treated as mRNA. First RNA is come, that is hnRNA, then removal of introns, joining of exons by the ligase enzyme to formation of, that is mRNA will come. Until here this mRNA is not stable. Until here mRNA is not stable. Then after this mRNA is followed by one cap and one tail. So here this is cap, this is tail. Now this mRNA will be stable. Until here mRNA is not stable. mRNA is not stable. Here when cap is added to mRNA, cap and tail both are added to mRNA. Now this mRNA will be stable. Now we have to take the structure of mRNA. This process is totally called as transcription. This process is totally called as transcription. Transcription means from the DNA to mRNA is formed. That process is called transcription. Next, structure of mRNA. mRNA consists of, this is long polynucleotide chain. So this is 5th prime, this is 3rd prime. This is 3rd prime. Next, here that is cap, here tail. This is cap, this is tail. Next, in this mRNA, 2 regions are there. This is starting codon, this is stop codon. 2 regions, one region is start codon. The start codon is starts with AUG, and this is stop codon. The stop codon is mainly followed by 3 is there. In genetical code we are observed 3 stop codons are present. These 3 stop codons we will discuss in later. So start codon starts with AUG is a code. Stop codons are 3 are present. Out of these 3, any one it is act as a stop codon. Next, between the start codon and stop codon, we are observed this region. This region is called, that is, structural genes are present. Structural genes. These structural genes are present here. These structural genes, they have the genetical information from DNA. Structural genes, they have the genetical information of DNA. So this RNA comes from DNA. RNA is a copy of DNA. That's why what are the information is there in DNA, that information is followed here, observed in structural genes. Structural genes contain, that is, DNA information. That information translate as a protein. Translate as a protein. That process is called translation. That is translation. Translation. It's common thing. Next, this mRNA is a short-lived. mRNA is a short-lived. mRNA is a short-lived. Why? Because after protein synthesis, after protein formation, this mRNA will get dissociated. So mRNA is a short-lived because after protein formation, will get dissociated or disappeared. That's why it is short-lived. In case of, we want to one protein, especially one protein, it want to we need 100 times that protein. 100 times same protein, only one time transcription, it is not correct. Means we need to 100 proteins, they are same kind of proteins, but this transcription is going to 100 times. It means the mRNA is translate the information into 100 times to formation of 100 proteins. So 100 mRNAs involved in 100 proteins, either different or same kind of protein. These proteins are different type of proteins, different types. or same types. Same type. 100 mRNAs changes into 100 proteins. 100 mRNAs genetic information changes into 100 proteins of either they are same proteins or different proteins, but the transcription process is going on 100 times. The mRNA carries the information from the DNA to protein, that is 100 times. This protein formation takes place on ribosomal surface. This genetic information it is carried to finally reaches to ribosomal surface. So once we have the steps are involved in the formation of mRNA from DNA. This is the DNA copy, DNA strand from 3rd prime to 5th prime. The DNA gives another copy, that is hnRNA. In this hnRNA, two regions are there. One is coding region and non-coding region. Non-coding region are introns. Intron. This is non-coding part. Exon 1, exon 2, exon 3, exon 4 is coding part. Next, by the process of splicing, the endonuclease enzyme will cut this breaking of these exons and introns to formation of new strand. The pieces. In these pieces, intron pieces and exon pieces will get separated. Then after, by the ligase enzyme what will happen? Add total exons. All exons will be added to formation of mRNA. All introns they are joined together by the ligase enzyme. Introns will remove only exons. They are joined together to formation of mRNA. That mRNA now stable by the help of cap and tail. Next, mRNA consists of 5th prime contain cap. Next, 3rd prime consists of, that is tail. Before that, this is cap is made up of methylated guanine. Cap is made up of methylated guanine, and stop codon is tail is made up of mainly polyadenosine. Means A like that, so many polyadenosine. Cap is made up of methylated guanine and tail is made up of polyadenosine. Many adenosines are joined together here. Next, in mRNA, two regions are there. One is start codon. The process of translation starts from, that is start codon. The start codon is AUG. Stop codon is there. The stop codon is generally 3 stop codons are present in our genetical code. Next, between the start and stop codons, the gap is, that is structural genes. In these genes are mainly structural genes. These are the genes copies from DNA. Next, this structural genes undergoes to translation to formation of protein. Then after this protein formation, the mRNA will be disappeared. That's why it is a short-lived. In case of 100 proteins, we need 100 times the DNA will be make up proteins, 100 proteins, either same kind of proteins or different types of proteins. In next class, we are discussing about ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA, rRNA and tRNA.